Good afternoon, everyone. So myself, Yoganandam Natarayan, technical support engineer for India region. So in this section, we're going to cover how to utilize Moltex 3D Studio for post processing and processing. This is today, it's my outline. So basically, last section we saw in the last webinar, we saw the pre-process and processing. So this is the continuity of the last webinar. So here we can see the results for filling, packing, cooling and warpage section, and the tools functions from animation, inspection, XY plot, warp, and the measurement compare. So basically, how to use these tools to analyze the filling, packing, warp, cooling, warpage results. Also, how to find some of the potential issues from Moltex 3D, the defects for the model from the Moltex 3D results. So let's see the pre-process result interpretation in Moltex 3D 2020. So basically, I'm going to discuss some of the filling results, especially in the demo section, but I'm just giving the overview here for what are the like I'm going to discuss here, especially from mail front time, like mail front advancement and the unbalanced flow, how to check short, how to check, and some of the potential, the issues like air trap, well line, and how to judge the well line by based on the well line temperature, giving some idea, and how to check the pressure drop by using the pressure results and the temperature results for filling results, and some of the talk about the shear stress and the maximum shear shape. So this is like a simple example for here, like from the Moltex 3D. So the mill front, we can see on the left side like a 25%, 50%, 75, and the 100% of the melt at location, how it flows. And also here we can see the GIF image, which is also generated by Moltex 3D, how the mill front flows continuously very smoothly into the model through the runner. So we can check here this function basically made up by using animation function. So also later I will show how to use this kind of function to make your report very beautiful and very neatly to present. So in the packing section, also I'm going to discuss about the pressure, temperature, volumetric shrinkage, and the molten core, some of the other results like sink mark and the sprue pressure, clamping force, how to judge, how to relate it with the real conditions. Like this I'm going to discuss from the packing results. And here I show the volumetric shrinkage by using the clipping function. So basically, for this image I use the clipping function to cross check the view and see the volumetric shrinkage at the center of the part. So like this. So let's move to